So we have grown a lot, we have evolved a lot since 11 years ago, and this is our latest look and feel. Okay, so it's very easy to use. You look at it, quite enjoyable to use. For those of you who are using using Facebook or Twitter in your personal lives, you may find this portion a little familiar. Just like how when you log onto Facebook, the moment you log in, you will see a history or a feed of messages or posts that your friends have submitted. Some telling you that who they met for lunch today on Facebook or what did they do. Same concept, but it's just for business. So you can tell your colleagues in your organization the biggest deal you have closed today or this year, this month. Okay, you can post these messages. Whoever is following you, just like how Twitter is, whoever's following you will get those status updates. Okay, but it's not just about sending messages to each other or declaring certain things on the application. It's also about sharing. As you can see here, this file here. Okay, you can share a post. You can post a file and you can share it with your colleagues. They can comment on it. They can give you some feedback to say, hey, why don't you add certain things onto this file? But again, it's not just about one-to-one conversations. Let me click on Chatter here. Okay. It's also about things that you follow. For example, as an account manager, you are interested in, of course, maybe your key accounts or your top accounts. When someone updates an information in your account, being the account manager, what you would like to do is be informed of those changes. Or if somebody has changed an address, somebody has added a new contact information, wouldn't you want to know about it? So with Chatter, okay, we have proactive notification so that as long as you're following that record, whether it's an account, opportunity, contact, and so on, you can get notified on Chatter as well as an email. Okay. The reason why we have put in Chatter in Salesforce is not because it's fun. Okay, it is fun. Okay, internally in Salesforce, we use it all the time. Our usage of email has gone down a lot because we spend more time on Chatter now. But why we're doing this is because we've realized that a lot of our customers and also within the organization, people exchange information about business through emails, through instant messaging. Okay. What if you change your laptop? Those things may not always stay with you. Or the moment you log off from your MSN, the whole history may be gone. Okay? So what we're saying is those conversations you have on MSN or on Yahoo or on email, they are important information. So they should also be kept within Salesforce. So instead of chatting on your instant messenger or in email, why don't you chat on Salesforce? Okay? So with this global search here, you just type in a keyword, anything that you're interested in, a name, an email address, or a word, a company name. You will get the results of everything that's related to that topic or that word that you're searching on. And you will be able to see anyone who has chatted about that. Okay. So, and one of the key reasons why we are having Chatter is also because we feel that, also perhaps you could see during the presentation that because most people are moving away from Google searches or searches in general. It's no longer about going on to internet to say, I want to search for one word and then just return me a list of things. It's about information being pushed to you, okay? You can get all the information you need. But whatever you are interested in, you click the link, then you go in. Okay, so you have a choice of the information you want to see. Okay, so we want to empower the people who are using this to have all the knowledge that you need at your fingertips, at your convenience. Then you choose what else do you want to drill down on. Okay, so that's the concept behind this. Let me go back to the homepage. Just a little bit more on this homepage alone. Let me scroll here a little bit. Because we call it the homepage. The homepage is something that the moment you log in, the information should capture your attention. Whether it's Chatter, whether it's things to follow up on, or whether it's things that people have assigned to you. So if I scroll down a little bit here, you can see this dashboard. We call it a snapshot. Typically, a person has at least 3 to 5 different metrics that you have, or different KPIs that you're measuring yourself against, or your managers are measuring you on. So these top 3 metrics or top 3 KPIs, as somebody who is who's very, especially in the sales organizations, perhaps you're concerned about your pipeline, you're concerned about whether you're the #1 salesperson this month, things like that. You want to be able to know every time you log in. So this is what it is exactly. As an individual user, you can choose what information you want. You don't have to go to an IT person to say, can you change that page for me? You change it anytime you want. So this dashboard here, you can see, perhaps it's for a management person. I can see across the board. But if I'm a sales rep, maybe I just want to look at my own pipeline, and then you can change that.